If you're seeing the itch.io error code 500, don't worry. In most cases, this is a temporary server issue or a browser problem that you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest steps to troubleshoot the error, get itch.io loading properly again, and avoid wasting time guessing what went wrong. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, refresh the page. A 500 error can sometimes happen because the server is overloaded for a moment, so a simple refresh may be enough to load the page correctly. If it still doesn't work, wait a few minutes and try again. This gives the website time to recover if it's having a temporary issue. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser can store old or corrupted data that interferes with websites like itch.io. Open your browser settings, find the Privacy or Browsing Data section, and clear the cached files and cookies for itch.io or for all sites if needed. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying again. If the error is still showing, try a different browser. Sometimes the issue is specific to Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever browser you're using. Opening itch.io in another browser can help you figure out whether the problem is with the site itself or with your current browser setup. Another helpful step is to disable browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and other add-ons can sometimes interfere with page loading and trigger unexpected errors. Turn off your extensions one by one, or disable them all temporarily, then reload itch.io to see if the page works normally. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause pages to load incorrectly, especially if the site is already under heavy traffic. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, restarting your router, or testing another website to make sure your connection is stable. If nothing has worked so far, log out and log back in again. Sometimes an account session can get stuck or become outdated, and signing out can force itch.io to create a fresh session when you return. After logging back in, try opening the page again and see if the 500 error is gone. In many cases, one of these quick fixes will solve the problem immediately. But if itch.io is still giving you the same error, the issue may be on their side, and you may just need to wait until the platform is back to normal. The good news is that most 500 errors are temporary and not caused by anything serious on your device. If this tutorial helped you fix the itch.io error code 500, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting videos. And if you want, I can also make a step-by-step video for other itch.io errors or website loading problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.